Absolutely. And today we're diving into the XRP K-Pack. Oh, what a treat. You see, this isn't just a game anymore. It's a powerful opportunity waiting for us. I'm going to walk you through my swing trade plan thoroughly, explaining every detail, because you know how important it is to understand the game. You're probably wondering what's really going on, so let me make sure you get the full picture. And let's be real, this isn't just about luck. It's about smart strategy, solid research, and knowing when to click on your chance. Imagine this. You've got a crypto K-Pack, a solid track record, and a consistent 90% win rate. That's not just a number. It's the foundation of my confidence in every move I make. Speaking of which, you remember the numbers, right? You mentioned 2,470 people in your team, a 20 p.m. entry time, and 57 won trades from 9:55 to 10 p.m. That's over 10,000 trades in just a few hours. That's incredible, isn't it? I'm talking about numbers to prove my point, you see. Now, let's talk about my XRP strategy. I've seen a lot of traders chasing the moment, throwing on their strategies without understanding the fundamentals. But I don't do that. What I do is focus on my long-term gains, using insights from my AI analysis. It's like having a co-pilot in the market, reminding you when to enter and exit, because timing is everything. If you're curious about my platform, you'll notice the gains I've achieved after every single analysis. My win rate has soared, and what I mean by that is clarity, precision, and consistency. I'm not just guessing. I'm using data to guide every decision. And let me be clear. Every time my AI has validated a trade, it's not just a coincidence. It's because the market conditions have aligned perfectly. Now, to put things into perspective, up until
My indicators are updated daily, and they're built to reflect the current market environment with precision. If you're genuinely interested in learning more, don't hesitate. Follow my progress on social media, subscribe to updates, and engage with my content. It's not just about the numbers. It's about building a relationship with the market. And I'm happy to be your guide. So, what's your take so far? Are you ready to dive deeper into this? Remember, every expert started where you are now, taking those first steps with confidence. If you have questions or want more details, just let me know. I'm here to help, and I'm excited to see how this journey unfolds. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button